Hey guys, we're gonna be decorating the living room with some simple Christmas decor. First, let's take this naked lady out of here, and then let's take all these little things off of here. We're gonna put a big mirror in the middle. I wish it was bigger. I don't have a bigger one, but this will have to do for now. And I'm gonna be using a garland that I bought in Lowe's last year. It was 25 bucks. It was when it was on sale already, and we're just gonna drape it on top of the mantle here. To be honest, I do wish I had left a little bit of a swag in the middle. I think it would have looked better, but I didn't think about that until it was all up on the mantle and I didn't want to take it all down again. So let's just pretend that it has a little bit of swag in the middle. I did want to put a lot of candles on the mantle, but I didn't have enough of the gold ones, and I looked and looked everywhere and they were either too expensive or I didn't like what they looked like. But I did have some old IKEA ones that I thought that I should just spray paint and then just mix in with my other brass candles, and I think they ended up looking great. We're just going to spread them throughout the mantle here and leaving the darker ones against the mirror and the lighter ones against the black wall. For our next DIY, we're going to be doing some simple festive lanterns, and I'm going to be doing a bow for them. Inside we're going to put some pine cones, but to keep on with that gold theme, we're going to spray paint them gold. And let's clean this up because it's getting a little dusty. I want them to be a little bit different heights, so I just set this little box, and to cover it up a little, I'm going to put a candle in front of it. It's just a battery operated one. Okay, for our next DIY, we're going to be doing this little Christmas arrangement. I went out to my backyard. I found some nice branches and just put in a little bit of Christmas ornaments that I bought in Dollar Tree. It looks a little crazy, kind of looks like my hair in the morning, but we'll go with it. Let's put some of these in there and it'll look a lot better. I'm keeping everything really simple. That's just kind of my style. So if you are liking the simple decor, something like this I think would bring in the festivities, bring in some of the holiday spirit, but still not overwhelm you or overwhelm your space. Next up, we're going to be doing some solar lights. If you have a window that gets a lot of sunlight, I recommend you use these. You don't have to worry about plugging them in. You don't have to waste any electricity. This is the end of the simple Christmas decor for my living room. I hope you got some ideas. I know it is kind of late in December, but you still have some time. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, my loves. I'll see you next time.